This video provides an overview of the Open Vessel Data Management System. The Open Vessel Data Management System, or OpenVDM, helps vessel operators and marine technicians manage and organize data files created by data acquisition systems and disseminate that data to scientists and other data consumers. At its core, OpenVDM provides the following services. It pulls files from distributed workstations to a central server. It serves files to science and crew via Samba and HTTP. It automates cruise data backups for the science party, host institution, and archival facilities. It helps the vessel operator and marine technician enforce consistent directory structures and standardized file naming conventions. It informs the marine technician when data problems arise. In addition to the core functionality, OpenVDM has the additional extended functionality. It provides a framework for providing near real-time web-based data visualizations. It provides a framework for conducting QA testing and collecting file-level statistics. It allows vessel operators to create custom task chains to help automate data workflow pipelines. It provides a RESTful API to allow vessel operators to develop custom applications and websites that leverage the information stored within the OpenVDM database. OpenVDM can assist vessel operators engaging in telepresence operations in the following ways. OpenVDM includes a framework for transferring critical data and information to shore. It includes mechanisms to deliver a rich end-user experience utilizing minimal bandwidth. OpenVDM can be configured with transfers that pull data from shore-based sources. Its architecture allows for complete remote support. The benefits to OpenVDM are as follows. Having OpenVDM manage the transfer of data from remote systems to a central repository saves time. It enables vessel operators to deliver a more consistent end-of-cruise data package. It increases data awareness. It improves access to data during a cruise to the science party. It provides opportunities for data pipeline automation. It provides opportunities for increased shoreside support. For more information on OpenVDM, please check out the links in the description.